Hello everyone, my name is Shashank Shekhar, Master Teacher of Mathematics at Vedantu. Here we are presenting solutions for KVPY 2020, Class 11, that is Essay Stream. Part 1 in this video, question is taken from Part 1, question number 10. Let's have a look at the problem. Let square bracket x be greatest integer, the well-known function, greatest integer function, less than or equal to x for a real number x. Then the following sum, gent of 2 raised power 2020 plus 1 upon 2 raised power 2018 plus 1 plus, right, 3 raised power, gent of 3 raised power 2020 plus 1 upon 3 raised power 2018 plus 1 plus gent of, right, 4 raised power. So in every term you can see the bases are changing, but the powers of the bases taken in numerator and denominator are same. In every term the powers in numerator, powers of numerator are 2020 and denominator power is 2018, and one is added in numerator and denominator. So we'll have to look at the general structure of the quantity lying inside the square bracket, right? And the value of bases are varying from 2 to 6. Some of these entire, structure, final sum is equal to, the option given is 80, 85, 90, 95. Let's see how can we solve it easily. So rather taking different terms one by one, I'm going to take a general, I'm going to write a general term, right? So I'm writing here a raised power 2020 plus 1 over a raised power 2018 plus 1, right? And if I divide, right, numerator by denominator, so a square will be left out and I can write it as a square minus, okay, denominator is a raised power 2018 plus 1. So if it is multiplied, then a raised power 2020 will come, plus a square will come. So I'm going to write minus a square, and minus minus plus 1, right? So are they same? Yeah. And we know that a square, we have to search everything for a to be greater than or equal to 2. No, a starts for, base is given 2, here 3, 4, right? So now if you see that a square minus 1 upon, what about this? If we see particularly this structure, then this is obviously a positive quantity greater than 0, because a is more than 2, so this is a positive. A square minus 1 is positive, denominator is already positive, but is less than 1. Why? Because numerator here is a square minus 1, denominator is a raised power 2018 plus 1, and a is more than 1, it's more than equal to 2 in fact. So it is less than 1, numerator is smaller than the denominator, it can easily be seen. So what about the upper part? For all a greater than or equal to 2, so we can say a square minus this, and this is lying between 0 and 1, so a square minus something between 0 and 1 will fall, will be less than a square but more than a square minus 1. What do you say? So in that manner we can say that greatest integer of a raised power 2020 plus 1 upon a raised power 2018 plus 1 will be equal to a square minus 1 for all a greater than or equal to 2. So by taking a as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the sum must be, okay, come to the next page. So the sum must be equal to, so it was a square minus 1 now. So when a is 2, sigma of a square minus 1, a from 2 to 6. So the answer must be, when a is 2, it is 2 square minus 1, it is 3 square minus 1, 4 square minus 1, and we have also although the formula for sigma r square, but as the terms are lesser, we are not going to apply that formula. Here the answer is 3, here the answer is 8, here the answer is 15, here the answer is 24, and here the answer is 35. Final answer, I mean sum of all these quantities, will be 35 plus 15 is 50, and 24, 74 plus 11 is 85. So the answer, final answer to this question must be 85. Option given 85 was at option B, so option B is correct. I hope you understood this solution. Stay tuned for the next question. Thank you.